Imagine a vehicle that laughs at the apocalypse, that turns 40-ton rock crawls into a Sunday drive, and still lets you sleep like a king under a million stars. This is the 2026 Toyota Nomad 6x6, built on Toyota's bulletproof medium-duty chassis, portal axles, 46-inch military tires, and a full 6-wheel drive system that makes a Raptor look cute. This isn't an RV, this is a fortress on wheels. For its inches of ground clearance, locking differentials front, center, and rear, a 13,000 lb winch that says, "Hold my beer," to anything in its path. Carbon Kevlar composite body panels, lighter than aluminum, tougher than steel. 400-watt solar roof, plus 18 kWh lithium bank. Run the AC for days with the engine off. Roof rack ready for dirt bikes, kayaks, or your ego. Whatever's bigger. But here's where the Nomad breaks the internet. Step inside. Real walnut cabinetry, Italian leather, heated and cooled seats, a king-size bed that drops from the ceiling like a Bond villain's lair. Full kitchen, induction cooktop, 12 QFT fridge, convection microwave. This isn't glamping. This is better than most apartments in California. Slide into the driver's seat. Yeah, it's a Toyota steering wheel, but look closer. Military-grade toggle switches, dual CBs, a 12-inch off-road navigation screen, and enough gauges to make a Top Gun pilot jealous. You're not driving an RV. You're commanding a starship that just happens to have a shower. You're 200 miles from the nearest paved road. Sun's dropping over Monument Valley, steaks sizzling on the induction cooktop, cold beer from the fridge, and zero cell service. Exactly the way it should be. The Nomad doesn't take you off-grid. It makes the grid irrelevant. This isn't just a motorhome. It's freedom forged in steel. It's the answer to, what if I never had to come back? It's the middle finger to HOAs, traffic jams, and overpriced campgrounds. The 2026 Toyota Nomad 6x6 isn't for everyone. It's for the 1% who refuse to live small. So the only question left is, when the world gets too loud, how far are you willing to go? Drop a comment. Where's the first place you disappear to in the Nomad? Hit that like button if this beast just ruined every other RV for you, and subscribe.